Hi gang, it's Kirk Houston with MarriedInMemphis.com Television. We are out here at Mahaffey Tent for their open house, February 2010. Stick around, we're going to have a great time.
Yes, that city, it sure is pretty. Bravo's historic city.
Hi gang, it's Kirk with Married in Memphis, and we are out here at Mahaffey's Tents for their open house, and I'm standing here with a lovely young lady with Pick Flips. What is your name?
Amy Kelly.
Amy, it's so nice to meet you. I appreciate you taking a few minutes to talk to us. Tell us about Pick Flips.
Yes, correct. At Pick Flips, we take a 7-second video clip of guests at a party, and then within a minute and a half, we turn it into a custom flip book. And basically, just looks like this. There's the one that we just did of you.
Yeah.
So there's yours.
Thank you.
It's just real quick and it's fun and it's a great keepsake that people get to take home with them after the party's over.
Now, I noticed you've got Mahaffey on here, but I'm assuming that if you're doing it for a wedding, for example, you can have the bride and groom's name or something done for the top of it so they'll know where it came from,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely. We do custom covers for every single party. We can match the color palette, a logo, a monogram, any special words you want. We do a lot of weddings that they give a special special message to the guest on the back.
I got you. Now, you guys aren't from Memphis now. You're from Texas, is that right?
That's correct, or from Fort Worth.
Yeah, but now I understand you guys are looking for someone to open one of these franchises in the Memphis area.
Yes, we are. We license it out all across the world, our process and our software, and we're looking for somebody in Tennessee. We don't have anybody here, and it's an awesome opportunity. So if you know of anyone...
Well, how do they get in touch with you, he may ask?
Yes, just go to our website at iloveflipbooks.com and you can check out the FAQs and see pictures from our past events, and we look forward to working with you.
Well, great. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us. This is Kirk. We will be back. Don't go anywhere. Hey, gang, we're back out here at Mahaffey Tent. I'm standing here with Clint. Clint, thank you so much for taking a moment to talk to us.
Not a problem.
Clint, Mahaffey Tent. I've always thought Mahaffey Tent just rents tents, but obviously after looking around here today, there's all kinds of things. Tell us. I know you can't tell me everything you do, but give me a kind of a good rundown.
All right, real quick. Mahaffey, of course, has been a part of the Memphis community since 1924. We've got over 85 years of history in this town, and you are correct. Since actually World War II, when we transitioned more into a tent business, we have been tents, tables, and basic chairs. We've serviced a lot of festivals, events, different things like that. Over the last couple of years, I've done a lot of research. We've been looking at stuff, and you kind of start to look and you see that there's a lot of fun inventory, and there's a lot of great events out there. And if you're only doing tents, tables, and basic chairs, you can only service your customers for a certain portion of their needs.
Yeah.
So after talking with more of our clients, it became relevant. It became evident, that we needed to carry more products to be able to help them every time they called, not just for festivals and things like that. So we have undergone a massive expansion, a 40,000 square foot growth. We have added a full linen facility, china, all different types of specialty products, decorations, lounge furniture, an array of lighting, and we've also partnered with some of the best in the industry as well to be able to make sure that we can provide our customers everything they could possibly need, no matter how large or how small their event.
Well, from what I've seen, you're doing a great job. Clint, thank you so much.
No problem.
And, of course, Clint knows that you're planning the perfect wedding, so come see him over here at Mahaffey Tent. He'll take care of all your wedding needs that he can handle here. And if he can't handle it, I bet you can find someone that can, right?
Absolutely.
There you go. We'll be back. Hi, gang. I'm sitting here with Margaret with 3D Photography Studios. Is that right?
Yes, it is.
Well, great. I appreciate you taking a moment to talk to us. Tell us, what is 3D Studios?
It is a photography studio where we specialize in taking images for all events. And it is custom towards weddings, kids' portraits, and any type of sporting events.
Now, how long have you been in business?
Approximately 2 years.
2 years. How's it going so far?
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Enjoying the experience. I really am.
Now, is there a certain demographic of business that you go after, or is weddings a big part of your business, or just a small portion of it?
Family portraits is the big part of my business. I've just ventured into weddings.
You're just now venturing into it?
Yes.
Well, great. I appreciate you taking the time to speak with us for a few minutes. And of course, she knows to find everything her friends and her clients and every bride she knows in town needs. All she has to do is check out marriedinmemphis.com television. We'll be back.
This is a very contemporary look. This is a modern contemporary look. This still has a couple of traditional overtures with it. This right here, this is more for a spring type event because they're going with the bright yellows and the white and a little bit of green for accent, and then you got your fruits in your bowl. This is more for a formal event. For like if you were to say have a Greek meal or an Italian meal, they use this type of setup.
All right, gang, we are still out here at Mahaffey Tent, but we're on our way out of here. Kirk Houston with marriedinmemphis.com television. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you at the next event.